Now next is AC through RLC circuit. What is RLC? Resistance, inductance and capacitance. Resistance, inductance and capacitance, and this is the alternating source. Let the equation is V is equal to V naught sine of omega t. When the three components they are connected in series, the current through each element will be same. तीनों में एक ही करंट निकलेगी, एक ही करंट जाके वापस आएगी. When this current is passed, जब ये करंट जाएगी, so it will generate potential across the components. Across this, let the potential produced is VR. Across this, let the potential produced is VL. Across this capacitance, let the potential produced is VC. Okay. Now, what happened? For this resistance, because current flowing is same, so current is taken as the reference. It is I. Potential across the resistance is in the same phase that of the current. So this is, say, VR. The direction of potential drop across resistance is same, VR, and current is the same. When this current is passed through inductor, VL and I, current lags behind the voltage by an angle of 90 degree, or you can say voltage leads ahead the current एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. ये रेड कलर से मैं शो कर रहा हूं किसको? दिस इज VL. करंट लैग्स बिहाइंड इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, एंगल इज टेकन एज पॉजिटिव. When this current is passed through the capacitor, what happened? Current leads ahead the voltage by 90 degree, or you can say voltage lags behind the current by an angle of 90 degree. Say this is VC. In the blue color, this vector is showing potential drop across capacitor. VR, VC and VL relative to the current. What is the sum total? What is the sum total? VL and VC, they are opposite to each other. VL में से VC को subtract कर दो. Say this is the length. So if you subtract it, remaining is this. What is this voltage? This voltage is VL minus VC. Now perpendicular vectors are there, VR and VL minus VC. If you sum total it, this is the resultant. What it is? It is VR square plus VL minus VC square. So the total resultant RMS value of the voltage you can find out, that is equal to VR square plus VL minus VC square. Now I can write V. If the sum total of the effect produced by all these three components, say it is called Z. Z is called impedance. So what is applied voltage? I into Z. Applied voltage, RMS value, current into Z. So V can be written as I into Z is equal to under root of VR, Ohm's law, I into R is I square R square, plus VL, VL is I into XL, minus VC, VC is I into XC the whole square. I can take I common, I square, and this I square is taken again common after the root, it will be I. So if I take common, this is cancel out. What is remaining? Remaining is Z. So what is Z? Z is equal to nothing under root of R square plus XL minus XC square. Most important it is.